Hi, I'm Joan Manson of Manson Fine Art. Thank you for joining me today as I share with you the creation of a PowerPoint introductory video to my regular art videos, starting with this one. This is a video introduction that I created on PowerPoint. I used the fade away as a transition from slide to slide, and I was able to share not only the final image, but also photos of the materials I was using, photos of the reference photo, changes that I made to them, and comparisons between the reference photo and my final image. I do enjoy the way the fade away allows the other image to grow up under it and become clear. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes, but it adds a little bit something to your video, and it allows you to share your logo in the very beginning as well. I think it's very important to have a logo attached, a branding, if you will, so that people recognize it when they see it. Now let's see what it's like to create a video using PowerPoint. If you're not familiar with or haven't used it, you can rent it with other Microsoft products for $6.99 a month. I start at the home page and I add blank slides. You can add as many as you want. You can delete them as you go or add more as you go. Then I moved on the insert button and clicked on pictures to insert any of the photos that I've already taken. Again, as many photos as you like can be added. They can always be added and deleted and moved around. I took my image of my dog Renard, which is my logo, and I copied and pasted it to this image of my final image of the goldfinch. And then I used the Add Design feature of PowerPoint so that I could create what is a thumbnail for my YouTube video. This is how it came out. Looks a bit like a postage stamp, doesn't it? Okay. I'm on the home page and I'm working with the design ideas and scrolling down to the item that I want. I then go to the insert page and insert a text box where I inserted the text for my company name, and then again for the name of my project with a just color pencil demonstration. And again, here's the final product, the thumbnail for my YouTube video, and this is what is going to be seen when people click on my videos. Now let's go through that again. This is an image of the materials that I'll be using. Again, working with the home page and the design ideas. Take a look at what's coming up. I select and move on to the next page. And here is my final photo for this particular slide. Now all of these images can be saved as slides as well, and you can insert them in your videos at any time. And I did the same thing with my photograph of my paper, and it looks like a lovely little snapshot. And again, with a photo that I took of my workstation with all of the materials I used for this project, including the reference photo. And I use that method as well to create this final image of my final drawing. Now let's follow the goldfinch to the pages on creating transitions. Again, we're moved to transitions, and I chose Vortex. I like Vortex. You can overdo it though because it's kind of flashy and exciting. So I only use it as a first and a last or just a first. So going to the transitions page, I chose Ripple and then unclicked the on mouse button, set my timer to 7 and my duration to 1.4. These are timings that you can play with. When I'm all finished, or when I was all finished, I clicked on the Save button. So clicking on Save and the caret next to PowerPoint presentation in the drop-down menu, I clicked on the MPEG, and in a few minutes my file will be completely saved as an MPEG file. Now you'll still have your PowerPoint demonstration if you want to go back and change anything. And now for our feature presentation. This is the introduction I will be adding to my video, and that video will be coming up next week. And there's my thumbnail, and I'm using the ripple effect for my transition. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration, and if you'd like to see more of my work, I'd appreciate click on the subscribe button and that little bell that reminds you of when I have videos coming up. I try to put out one a week if I can, and the video for the goldfinch will be coming next week. Thanks once again.